A very good morning, my dear students, and welcome to Digital World of Patania Public School. But in previous lecture, we learned about the string manipulation. Here we learn in the continuation of string function and methods, string functions and methods. Python has so many built-in functions, so many library functions are there. For example, your len function, count function, your capitalize function, so many functions are there. So first you write down string object. First you write down string object. So here you can write down any string like your hello, welcome, computer science, anything is your string object. And method means your function name, your len function, your len function, count function, capitalize function, find function, is upper, is lower, these all are your method name. Okay, and after that put the parentheses. After that need the parentheses. So in the following table, we are referring to the string object as string only, no angle bracket, but the meaning is intact. That is, you have to replace string with a legal string, either a string literal or a string variable that holds a string value. So sometimes you don't write down any dot signature between this string and the method name because the parenthesis means here we return the string value only, or you can say string literal only. Okay, so some built-in functions are there. So Python built-in string manipulation functions and methods here. First is your len function. Len function always count the length of your string. Length of your string, for example hello world is there, so do the practical of this. How we do this, open your, start your program, then click on your Python and click on Python 3.7 ideally. Okay, after that you can write down here. We can do these functions in an interactive mode, but you can do in the script mode also. So just write down len, and here you can write down your string. For example, my string is hello. Okay, so this is your len function. So HELLO. So five characters are there. Same like when you write down len, and here we write down the string computer, and we one space after that write down SCIENCE is science, and inverted comma close bracket close. So now you see COMPUTER, eight characters are there, then one character your space, then SCIENCE. So total 16 characters are there. But if you want to do the next function name is your capitalize function. So capitalize function means it returns a copy of the string with its first character capitalized. So it do the string first character capitalized. For example, again we take some same example here, and here we write down, for example, first you write down here the string. For example, I have written here again hello, then dot, and then capitalize. Write down the function capitalize and then put the parenthesis here. So now you see the H is capital in the answer, but we input the H in small when we are need to write it. Next is your uh, count function. Count function always count the repetition of the word, repeated word. For example, HELLO, so L two times will be repeated here. So first you write down the string, okay, and then you write down dot, then you write down the function name, and here you write down the between inverted comma that word you want to count it. So I want to count the L form, so write down hello is there. So if you want to calculate a b a b a b a b a b, okay, so this is my string, for example, then write down here count function, and then you write down between the inverted comma. For example, I want to find out the a, how many times a will be repeated, so it repeated on the sixth time. But if I want to count the ab, then again write down the same string. For example, okay, so we take the same string here, and then we write down here, for example, ab, and after that you put a, so it calculated ab six times will be displayed here. So this is your count function. So it returns the number of occurrence of the substring in string or string start and end. So start and end you can write down here. So here you see if we want to count the 4 to 8. So A B, count A B. So A B here, and you see here 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 4 to 8, 4 5 6 7 8. So you see here 8 minus 1 7. So here, so between this AB is there, no AB is there, so your answer is 0. But if you want to calculate the AB, comma 6, so 6 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, after that you want to calculate the AB, no, yeah, this one is your AB, so one time will be displayed. So now next function is your find function. It return the lowest index. Index means your numbering, where your character, each character will be stored, and these uh, indexing are your positive indexing at the negative indexing. So it returns the lowest index in the string where the substring sub is found within the slice range of start and end. Slice range we have already learned. So return 1 if a sub is not found. So for example, you see here string is equal to it. This is my string name. It goes as ringa ringa roses. Okay, so here next is a variable is sub, and sub in sub ringa is there. So now we find out string dot find sub. So I want to find out the ringa word in the string. So string dot found sub. So it's sub ringa is there, so you find out ringa is here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. Okay, okay. So you find out 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, so ring word is on the 13. Same like if you want to calculate the negative number, then string dot find and sub comma 15 to 20. So it starts from the 15 and end with the 20 to 25 anyways. Index method is very simple. It returns the lowest index where the specified substring is found. If the substring is not found, then an exception. And exception means error. Exception means error. So if not found, substring is not found, then display the error, value error. This type of error will be displayed as a value error. Is raised, it work like found, but find return a -1 if the sub is not found, but index raises an exception if sub is not found in the string. So example string syntax is string then dot index, then write down the sub and sub in start value and the end value. For example, you see here, beta, wait. Yes. Now you see here, you write down the string here, then dot index AB. So we want to find out the indexing of the AB, and in this example, indexing is 0. But in this example, AB is on which place? AB is on your comma 6. Start from the 6, and your AB is here. So its number is 7. So it return the indexing of this. Otherwise, it display the error. Value error is there. Value the error is there. So beta every you do the practical of these all the functions in your PC, and learn these all the manipulation of practical manipulation. So each alpha num means you are numbering, you are inputting string is alphabetic or number or not. So it calculate the your it find out the each alpha num. So alphabetic values and numeric values it find out. For example, string is equal to abc 1 2 3. So its answer is true, and here the answer is true, here answer is also true. But in this case, only space are there, so no character is here and no digit is there, so its answer is false. its answer is false. So it calculate your inputting number or your inputted string is alphabetic or numeric or not the alphabetic or numeric. Each alpha, it this function only calculate the alphabet your character value. It don't calculate your, don't count your and your number value. If you input the number value here, then your answer is false. But if you want to enter the string and in string you can write down the character, then your answer is true. Each digit, here we want to find out only the value, inputting value is and number digits like 0 to 9. If your inputted value is 0 to 9, then your answer is true, otherwise your answer is false. But in string you don't write down the number, so your answer is always false. But if you enter it and you want to calculate here, find out here, then your answer is true. Is lower always compares your string, is lower, compare your string uh, and find out the answer in true and false form. Find out the your answer in true and false form. It returns true if all cause character in the string are lowercase. So it find out your inputted value is in lowercase. If your value is in lowercase in small letters, then your answer is true, otherwise your answer is false. Otherwise your answer is false. So very simple. First you write down the string and then you write down is lower, and in the continuation next is your is space. So it return true if there are only white spaces character in the string, and if not white character are there, then it display the answer false. So this is your this means is your is space. Next is your is upper. If your inputted number is in uppercase, you are like capital letter, then it return the answer true, otherwise it return your answer false. So beta, these all are the string function. You do the practical of these functions. The lower function always return a copy of the string converted to lowercase. So it convert your text into lower. It is used as per the syntax. First you write down the string and then you write down lower. And so here you see, first we write down the string, and in string we have already input the value hello here, and in lower so it display the answer in lowercase, but upper it return the answer in the capital uh, letters. Okay, after that you see each trip, r trip, s trip. Very important beta. Each trip, r trip and s trip. Each trip means return a copy of the string with leading white space removed. Removed white spaces. White spaces from the leftmost and are removed. It is used as per syntax. String is strip. If you want to remove the white spaces from the right side, then you write down here r strip. So left, this is your left strip and this is your right strip. So this l strip remove the white spaces from the left side, and r strip remove the white spaces from the right side. And here is your s strip. S strip means uh, return a copy of the string with the leading and trailing white spaces removed. That is white spaces from the leftmost and the rightmost and are removed. So here your right and left both side white spaces will be removed. So you see here space is here, space is here. So right side space will be removed, but left side space is left. But if you write down the s strip, so both side left and right side space will be removed here. So this is the function of your r strip, l strip, left strip and your strip only. And after that your next function is the start with or ends with. Starts with and ends with. What do you mean by the start states and end states? Starts with return true if the string start with the substring sub, otherwise return false. It is used as per the syntax, string, then dot, then star with, same like you capitalize, you can write down here. And with, ends with means return true if the string end with the substring sub. Otherwise return the false answer. So beta, these all are the functions of your string function. You do all the practice of this. Next is your little method. It return a title, title method. It returns a title caused the version of the string where all words start with the uppercase character and all remaining letter are in lowercase. So string title, so it always write down the first character capital and all character small, then again capital, then one left, rest of them are small, then again capital, and rest of them are small. So this is your title. And is title here, it check if is your title case or not. If you are every word first character is capital, then it display the answer true, otherwise it display the answer false. A replace function, you move on the last point here. Okay, learn it. A replace function always replace the inputted number or inputted string here. For example, it return a copy of the string with all occurrence of substring old replaced by new string. It is used as per the syntax. So you write down string dot replace, then old comma new. So here you see the example. First you write down any string, then write down dot replace function, and then write down your old value. And AB we want to replace with the SP, so new value is my SP and old is AB. So instead of AB, you see here SP is there. The same like another example is here, I work for you dot replace work care. So I work is replaced with the care, so the answer is I care for you. And next function is your join function. The join, it joins a string or character that is staying after each number. Very important beta. After each number of the string, iterate means replicate or repetition. That is a string based sequence. It is used as per the syntax, like first you write down any string, then join operator, and then join it string literal. So here you see we write down here star, then dot join is the function name, and then here we write down the hello. So in hello, every time your star will be input between your every character. If you want to input every after the every character three stars, then you write down three star here, then dot join, and then again your string, write down string here. If the string based iteration is list or tuple we learn in the next chapters of string, then the given string character is joined with each number of the list or tuple, but the tuple or list must have all member as string, otherwise Python will be raised error. And next is your split method, very important method here again. It splits a string. Splits means breakout, split out. Your string will be divided into different parts. So it splits a string, that is str, based on given string or character, that is string oblique character, it may be string or character, and returns a list containing split string as member. It is used as per the syntax. For example, the syntax of this is string dot split, then string, or you can write down any character here. So if you do not provide any argument to split, then by default it will split the given string considering white space as a separator. So you see here, I love Python dot split. So I, after that comma, then love, then Python. So it will be split out again. And if you provide a string or a character as an argument to split, then the given string is divided into parts considering the given string character as separator, and separator character is not included in the split string. So here you see, you write down I love my Python dot split, then uh, here. So the given string is divided from the positioning containing 0. Partition. The next method is your partition. The partition method splits the string at first occurrence. Learn this point, beta. First occurrence and return a tuple containing 3 items. The part before the separator itself, and the part after the separator. So it is used as per the syntax. As per the syntax, like you write down string, then partition, and then you write down any string or separator here if you want. So separator, if you want to write down the equal sign, then your character will be separated out with the equal, otherwise you write down star or any character here. So what is the difference between the partition and the split method? So the split function will split the string at any occurrence of the given argument, but here you see at the first occurrence of the given argument. Any occurrence of the given argument, or here first occurrence of the given argument. It return, your split function return a list type containing the split substrings, but the partition return tuple type containing the split substring. Your split function of the list is equal to the number of the words. If split on white spaces, it will always return a tuple of length 3 with the given separator as the middle value of the tuple. Okay, so here is the program of your split and partition and the functions. So you do the practical of these all the function program 10.10. You do the all the program. In this you can see all the functions, almost all functions are there. Is lower, is upper, is digit, is alpha num. So you do the practical of these beta. Okay, and again 10.12, and your next is your string manipulation function and method. In short, length function calculate the length, capitalize function capitalize the first character, count function count the occurrence of the substring, and find function find out the particular substring. String index display the indexing. Each alpha num check out the and give the answer in true and false if your inputted number is alphabet or number. Is alpha, it only check the alphabet, don't check out the numbering value. Each digit, only check out the digit value. If your answer if your inputted value is a digit, then your answer is true, otherwise your answer is false. Is lower, it check the small letters. Each space, it check out the space between the characters. Is upper, check out the uppercase capital letters. Is lower, convert the string to the lower. Upper, convert the string to the upper case, you can say capital letter. Else strip, it remove the space of the left side. Right strip, it remove the space of the white spaces, blank spaces of the right side. And S strip remove the both side white spaces left and the right side. So start with and end with function is here. And we have already learned title, is title, replace, join, split, and your partitions. So these all are the functions of your string. So here our chapter number 10 is completed. With chapter number 11 we meet with the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video.